Hey friend, I am so glad you reached out about diving into this topic. Working with compute in Azure Machine Learning is quite the adventure, allowing you to build, train, and deploy your most amazing machine learning models. It's like having the best playground for your analytical skills. Now let's unwrap this knowledge candy together. Picture this, you are using Azure Machine Learning to tackle complex problems. Your machine learning journey generally takes you through various stages, right? To kick things off, you'll encounter the first stepping stone, compute instances. Think of these as your personal cloud-based workstations. They're basically fully managed virtual machines packed with all the resources you need to preprocess and prepare your data without a worry. It's like having a mini computer at your beck and call that's ready to crunch numbers around the clock. Now, let's chat about compute clusters. These beasts come to life when your model needs to bulk up during training. Imagine a party of compute instances all working together, sharing resources, soaring through iterations like an ensemble orchestra, each trying to refine the symphony of your model. The magic here is in orchestrating this process to be both efficient and scalable, something Azure Machine Learning does for you with an array of commands and configurations. And get this, inference clusters are your wingmen, swooping in when your trained model is ready to shine and make predictions in the real world. They're like your trusted backup dancers, ready to perform whenever your main act needs support. You've got custom scripts and configurations to bring these to the stage, but managing them can be an art on its own. As you set up your compute targets, the goal is to create a workflow that's like a baton directing the flow between the workstation, the cluster, and the inference cluster. How often you tune the volume of your work with these tools can directly affect your ML strategy's financial aspects and time to value, which in the business world translates directly into competitive advantage. So knowing your options in compute and when to leverage them is non-negotiable if you are aiming to maximize your ML solution's potency. Let's not forget about the advanced features, folks. AutoML is like giving a crystal ball to your compute instances, guiding model selection with an eye for efficiency. Managing pricing and budgets becomes second nature when you understand the nuances and can apply what you learn to optimize costs without sidelining quality or performance. Troubleshooting when things go wonky, it's not the end. Azure Machine Learning's troubleshooting is like having Sherlock Holmes by your side with Azure's powerful logging and monitoring tools. You'll learn the detective's eye to pinpoint and fix issues swiftly, ensuring your analytical journey is as smooth as your favorite jazz track. Now, imagine a master chef in a 5-star kitchen, where every instrument is top-notch and every recipe is a hit. Azure Machine Learning helps you be that chef. It nudges you towards the best practices, teaches you the art of blending these tools, and gives you the resources to understand and fine-tune every element of your ML experience. So, armed with knowledge and confidence, you're primed to whip up some ML wizardry. With Azure Machine Learning as your sous chef, I urge you to keep exploring, refining, and evolving. With every model and compute decision, imagine lifting your business to new heights, predictive insights, customer satisfaction, and innovations. Alright, that's the rundown on compute in Azure Machine Learning. I'd love to continue this intricate dance of knowledge whenever you are ready. Dive deep, ask questions, and embrace the learning curve as part of your growth. Just like any craft, remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about what you learn along the way. And before I forget, for all your future ventures into the exhilarating world of machine learning, Make sure to visit neeraj.io and subscribe to TechLab. Stay curious and keep innovating.